To delete your Google Gemini account, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end and now bar. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to delete your Google Gemini account. And the most important thing is that Google Gemini doesn't have a separate account. It uses one of your Google accounts or the Google account which you have tried to sign. Now deleting Gemini means either deleting all of the Gemini data or deleting your Google account permanently. Now if you want to delete your Gemini account permanently, that means that you just have to delete your Google account permanently. Now to do so, you just need to go to Google Chrome on your device, and from here you just need to search for myaccount.google.com. So if you tap on this, you just need to click on it and you just need to sign into your account. So after signing into your account, you just need to tap on the option of data and privacy. So if you see the option of data and privacy, you just need to tap on it. So after tapping on the option of data and privacy, you just need to scroll down until you see the option of delete Google account. So simply tap on it, and from there you will be able to delete your Google Gemini account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.